Hello everyone, welcome to my channel which is CGXIN, and today we'll be discussing about the SSH root login issue. So sometimes you might have faced that when you are trying to log into any of the Linux server as a root user, you might be getting a error like permission denied every time as a root user. So you have to switch to a normal user, and then you would be able to switch to the root user by using sudo privileges, and that's how you are doing on most of the servers. But what if you can directly log into the server as a root user, and but how you can fix it? So that's the main question. So today we'll be discussing about how we are able to fix this kind of a problem. So there is a parameter which permit root login, which is there inside the sshd_config file. So if you enable this parameter with mentioning it as yes, so this will allow you to log into the Linux server as a root user directly. So let's jump to the screen and let's see how we can do it. So right now I'm on my server, which is IHL8 file, which is sshd_config file, and search for the parameter which is permit root login. Yeah, so here we have, and right now it is disabled and it is set to no. So what we have to do is we just have to enable this parameter and set it to yes, and this will allow you to log in as a root user. But there is one thing that you have to do is you just have to reload the service, or you can go for the service restart also. Yeah, so let's see the status. Yeah, so if I log in from my server, and if I try to log in as a root user, it is allowing me. So this is how you can do it on your system. So I hope everyone liked this video, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. Thank you.